Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Justin Case of America Newscape. Once again, we have Yuma County Library happenings with Sarah Wisdom. Good afternoon, Sarah.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for joining us.
I have just 3 items today that I'm going to tell you about. Of course, there's a lot more happening at Yuma County Libraries. You can always find out more by visiting our website, yumalibrary.org. But today I want to mention a few programs that are coming up. First, I want to mention a YPG overview that is happening on Wednesday, December 18th at 3 o'clock at the main library. We have Mark Schauer, who is the Public Affairs Coordinator for YPG, coming to give an overview about the history of the Yuma Proving Ground and really the role that it plays in the Army's testing with artillery testing. And it's amazing what an impact they make, not only locally and regionally, but also nationally and internationally. They're one of the largest proving grounds and have had some really cool equipment tested right here in Yuma. So to learn more about that, we really encourage you to come to that presentation on Wednesday the 18th with Mark. The next one I want to talk about is a North Pole craft that's coming up. I know a lot of our friends that are visiting us for the winter want to get away from North Pole like weather. So this is just a craft though. Don't worry, there's no real snow involved. You're safe here in the desert Southwest. But our San Luis Library wanted to offer a program for families to help them get into the Christmas spirit. So that's happening this Wednesday, the 18th, and it's happening at 4:30 in the afternoon. So hopefully as people are getting off work, they'll have time to go to the library, and they will have just all kinds of craft supplies available. Kids will be able to make Santas and Christmas trees and other North Pole inspired decorations and crafts to celebrate the Christmas holiday. So that's coming up again on Wednesday, the 18th at 4:30 at our San Luis Library. Last but not least, we have a holiday extravaganza that comes up on Saturday, December 21st at our Heritage Library. Again, this is an opportunity for families to get into the spirit, celebrate the Christmas season, and they will have games, crafts, activities for all ages. They always have a really fun time with all of their family programs. And as we were talking about last week, it might be a great opportunity for one parent to take the kids to an activity while the other one does some wrapping or some last minute shopping. So you can look at it that way too, as an opportunity to get some Christmas chores done while your kids are having fun. So again, that's just a few of the items happening at Yuma County Libraries. For more information, you can visit us online at yumalibrary.org or follow us on social media.
Sarah, thank you for joining us once again.
Thank you.
It was very informative. Looking forward to going to the Proving Grounds to see what that's all about. Hope to catch you next week. All the links will be provided in the Read More description after the video. Thank you all for
Perfect.
joining us. It's America Newscape signing off.